Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1916 Chevy Camaro Convertible, and this is by Matchbox, and this is from their mainline series, and I bought it for 149 rupees. I think I bought this from Hamleys if I'm not wrong. Currently I don't remember, but I think it will be mostly Hamleys. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So it's been some time, I unboxed Matchbox cars. So I thought of just, okay, let's unbox a few cars which were in demand at that time. So I'm just trying to keep this card intact, and I'm just planning something in the future to do with those. So let's see. Okay, here it is. Okay. So the initial impressions of this car, this looks really nice, but it has some issues with the paint here. You can see it is like, the paint is a little bit botched there. Like, it looks like kind of a patchwork. I don't know if you guys can able to see it clearly in this video, but this is how it actually, it looks in person. There is some kind of paint rash here. So the interior detail looks really nice. Okay, so interior detail looks really nice, and it does have rear view mirrors, which is really nice of metal to add this one. And as usual, the headlights are painted. The logo placement is actually good for a change, and the grille details are actually embossed. It is not painted on. So the tires are made of plastic, and the body is made of metal. So the chassis is made of plastic. So the chassis actually have, it is having some good detailing. So this is actually really nice. Normally I don't see any, see, if you compare it with any most of the Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels doesn't have much detail like Matchbox. I don't know if both have same manufacturer, but still I don't know, maybe because of the name they are still keeping it as it is. I'm really not sure. Okay, the taillights are also painted. It does have an exhaust detail here, which looks a bit different, but it looks nice. I personally love this particular rim, this set of rims. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls okay. It is not really that good. I mean, both wheels wobble a lot actually. Okay, I'm really sorry about the nice guys. Someone actually came in the street and all these stray dogs started shouting a lot or barking a lot, however you prefer. Okay. But since it's a toy, I'm going to say if you want to play with it, go ahead and play with it. See, these are supposed to be played with, okay? So it is not supposed to be kept in display like those are here. So those things also you can play with if you want. That's up to you. But I'm just saying, these ones are specifically made to be played with. So go ahead and play with it, play with your kids, or play with yourself, however you prefer. I'm not getting some any time, or else I would have just built a track around this living room, and then I would have just played with it. As a kid I never had a chance to even buy any Hot Wheels or any branded cars. Okay, so with that said, yeah. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.